Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Julie new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Yes, sir, today. This shoe is crazy. This shoe came out of nowhere, I'm not gonna lie. But this shoe, I think a lot of people will try and get their hands on. I think it's kind of a limited shoe, in my personal opinion. But we're talking about these Retro 5 women's release, called the Bluebird. I like this shoe a lot. Of course, it didn't come in my size, of course, but shout out to my boy, of course. Let me do a review of the shoe for my channel, for my family members, of course. But this shoe is super dope, in my personal opinion. I think these one of the best 5s that came out this year, next to the Raging Bulls, of course, you know what I'm saying? But these joints are super clean, like I said beforehand. Y'all gonna see in hand how they look. My personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? And right now they're going for about 300 plus. They retail like 190, I believe. So I'm talking about all that good stuff in this video, man. So man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Go down below. Go follow your boy on all Instagram platforms down below. My TikTok, Twitter, all the good stuff down below. Go ahead over there and follow all those pages, man. But not further ado, let's go and get to the video. So like I said beforehand, we got these Retro 5 women's release Bluebird. So they called them. Colorway super fire, suede material, everything. This shoe is super heat, man. They came out today, you know what I'm saying? So down below, if y'all hit on the sneakers app, Foot Locker, any type of app, Finish Line, let your boy know down below. I'll call all L's, but my boy one, you know what I'm saying, one at this spot called Corporate. Or if you're from Cincinnati, you heard of Corporate, you know what I'm saying? Or if you're not from Cincinnati, you heard of Corporate, of course. But so no sense a boutique or whatever. It's not a boutique, I would say, but they be getting some stuff, man. They be definitely getting some stuff. They be getting some more stuff than Foot Lockers for real, where I'm from. But they be getting some heat, man. They be getting some heat, man. So for sure. So like I said, salute to my brother, man. Salute to Corporate as well. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't want to shoot for Corporate, but you know what I'm saying? We got the shoe, though. We got the shoe right here. So did too much talking. Let's go and get the shoe out, man. There they go. Retro 5. I thought they would have like a, you know what would have been live? If they had like a bird or like some type of blue, you know what I'm saying, like a blue sky, like a bird or something like that on the shoe. That would be super fire. That would be heat, by the way. But like I said, here go the box right here. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Standardized. You know what I'm saying? Retro 5 box, Retro 6 box. Sometimes, I don't know, almost not 7s don't come in these boxes. Retro 5s, you know what I'm saying? Normally Retro 6s. He got a 10 in women's, got the 8.5, got his personal size. I told him to keep him. He debates should he sell them or, you know what I'm saying, keep him. My personal opinion, I feel like you should keep the shoe, but if you're looking to invest, I will hold on to the shoe. That is how I feel. But we'll talk about all that in this video, man. But be patient, but I'm gonna read this off to y'all, man. But it says Women Air Jordan 5 Retro, Ice Blue, size 10 in women's, 8.5 men's, retail for 190. And now right now they resell for 300 plus. Next year in summertime they will go up. I could promise you that for sure. There they go. Let's see. Hey, these clean. Here they go, man. Retro 5 women's release right here. Bluebird joints, man. These clean. I don't care what nobody talking about. These are clean, bro. These clean. It's crazy. Like a lot of women's releases be like, I feel like they're strictly for women's releases, but like this blue hitting. Like, you know, UNC blue is cool, but this icy blue right here is super clean, bro. Super clean, bro. The laces, suede material, upper, outsole, 10 out of 10, easy. 10 out of 10. Don't come with no any extra laces or anything like that. No special paper, black paper, man. Nothing too crazy. But here they go, man. These things clean, bro. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all personal opinion on this shoe, man. Like I said, this shoe is a 10 out of 10. Easy 10 out of 10 for sure. I will put some white laces in these, or like some shell. I didn't put some white ones. But the blue laces hit too, but I'll put some white, make the shoe pop even more. That's my personal opinion. I'll put some white laces in these though, man. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let your boy know if y'all hit on the sneakers app, Foot Locker app, or anything like that, man. If I was y'all, I will go ahead and pull the trigger on these right now, because the prices will go up on these easily. These prices gonna go up easy on these. Easy. I'm generous sorry, man. Like I can't even fit a 12 in women's. That's the biggest size they came in. I can't even fit a 12 in women's. I usually get a 12.5 in women's. A 10.5 in men's will be too tight. That's to accumulate to a 12 in women's. I know that's gonna be super tight on me, so I can't even try. I ain't even gonna bother to try it on. But these clean, bro. These clean, bro. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. Of course, on your outer sole, you got that translucent Jumpman. I think that's like more like a that not the UNC blue, but you kind of say to tell it's not a black Jumpman logo. It's like a blue Jumpman logo with the ice outsole, of course, right here on the back of the heel and closer to the toe, and close to the upper of the toe on the outsole. On the uppers, you got your blue suede, icy suede. You can tell by the suede material, super smooth, rubbing it back and forth. Y'all can tell just a super smooth suede, man. The material's A1, 10 out of 10 for sure. Out right on the midsole, you got your silver shark teeth. I would say like more like a gold. It's like more of a silver. Right here, shark teeth right here on the midsole. Got your hints of that icy outsole. Right here on the side panel, you got your cage right here. On the Retro 5, the Shadow backboards, they didn't have this at all, which they should have did on the Shadow backboard Retro 5s, but they got it on the women's release. They have it on the women's release Bluebirds. So you got your cage right here. Of course, on the back of the heel, you got your Jumpman logo. The color I would say is like a dark bluish. You can say on the back of the heel. And we go into the laces. You got your hints of your icy blue laces. Of course, you got your lace lock. Trying to see, you got to see the Jumpman on there. See if you find the Jumpman. Yes, you do. You see the Jumpman. Also got the Jumpman logo right there. I could tell. Also got the Jumpman logo right here as well. Same thing. They got the icy blue Jumpman logo. Got your 3M tongue with that dark blue hints of the Jumpman logo. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your icy blue Jumpman logo. Of course, got your Air Jordan inside of the tongue. Easily 10 out of 10 on this shoe. Easy, man. Super clean colorway. The suede material, like I said, we rub it back and forth. Y'all could easily just tell. Super clean colorway, man. The material, suede. The nubuck on this is A1 for sure, man. Like I said, I told my brody, keep this shoe, man. Keep the shoe. The shoe is clean, bro. Shoe is super clean. I'm just sorry that I can't wear the size. You know what I'm saying? Biggest size it came in is a 12 in women's. Like I said, culminates to a 10.5 in men's. So in case you out there, you know what I'm saying, you wear the size. My personal opinion, I will definitely pull the trigger on these. That's what I was saying earlier in the video. This shoe will go up. Not right now, but over time, around next summer, this shoe will definitely go up. Right now it's at 300. I don't think this shoe will go down. That's how I feel about this shoe, because for one, I feel like if this shoe would have came out in the summertime, it would definitely be more hype around this shoe. Because, you know, in the wintertime, you know what I'm saying, fall, a lot of rain, you know what I'm saying, the whole upper is suede, like I said beforehand. It's no leather at all on this shoe. The whole upper is suede. So I can see why a lot of people, the price of what it is at right now. But in the summertime, this shoe would definitely be more than 300 for sure. It's still a good investment if you get the shoe now. In case you hold on to it, definitely be a good investment for sure. Because like I said, fall, wintertime coming up, snow, rain, you know what I'm saying. A lot of people don't like wearing suede shoes. So think about in the summertime. A lot of sun, less rain, no snow, you know what I'm saying? A lot less stuff coming into play. And this shoe definitely did numbers in the summertime. But that's why I said, if you're thinking about holding on to this shoe, or should you like sell right now, I think you should hold on to the shoe. I believe you should hold on to the shoe, man. But here they go, man. Air Jordan Retro 5 Bluebird joints, man. How about I call it Sue Bird? I'm thinking about basketball so much, man. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know, man. Did you cop? Did you pass? So you like, man, I wish I'd have won them. Just let your boy know down below. Just getting these things in hand, super clean. 10 out of 10, easy. Like I said, if you hesitate on, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, pull the trigger now, like I said, because this price will go up for sure. It will definitely go up. And the size running Retro 5s, get your true size. Like I said, it's a women's release. So if you wear like a 9.5, that will be a 10. If you wear 9.5 in men's, that would be 11 in women's. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. In case y'all wonder, like, what size would I get? Woo-de-woo. It also says on the box. See it right there. So the top part would be the women's, and then the bottom part will be the men's size. So like I said, if you wear that 9.5, you'll get that 11 in women's. So in case y'all wonder, like, what size I get, whatever size run like normal women's size. And then in the padding, it's no difference. You know what I'm saying? So really not too much of a difference. You know what I'm saying? Just will catch my eye, like I said, the colorway and this suede, man. Like I said, rubbing it back and forth. Super smooth. Wish I get y'all on feet, but it's not my size. Even if I had a 12 women, I couldn't even fit it. If I wanted to, I could have, you know what I'm saying, made it work for y'all, but you only got his personal size. So at least I could bring the shoe to the channel, man, to my family members, man. So Definitely much love to y'all, man. For sure, man. I also got an on feet of a shoe that I've been wanting. I got an on feet, not this shoe. It's a grill I've been wanting for so long, man. Ever since this shoe came out, man. I'm gonna post it, not today. I'm gonna post it tomorrow. So be ready, be ready. Make sure your post notification bell is on, man. Trust me. It's a shoe I've been wanting, a shoe I've been looking for, searching for, going crazy for, and been hard to find. But I finally found the shoe in my size. Finally, man. So I'm excited, and it's a personal. Definitely stay in the collection for sure. Most definitely. And I think that shoe will go up as well in value. So I can't wait to show y'all the shoe. Just be ready for tomorrow. I ain't gonna post pictures of none of the shoe yet, but y'all gonna see, man. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure the post notification bell is on, man, for alerts. You know what I'm saying? Upcoming like unboxing, upcoming releases, on feet, all that good stuff, man. Clean and shoot, all that good stuff, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Also follow your boy on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that down below. Link down below. Head over to them pages. Make sure you hit a follow on my pages, man. I would definitely appreciate it, man. Greatness comes with patience, where they put your mind to. You definitely can do it. You gotta believe in yourself. I believe you. You gotta believe within yourself that you can do it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Catch another video. See y'all boys and girls, women's, kids, children's tomorrow. Hey, y'all have a blessed one. Gerald1 is out. Peace.